Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide a contact on Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger and direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen. You'll notice a menu icon there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a list of options. This menu is your gateway to all the important settings and features within Messenger. Once the menu opens up, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your Messenger experience, from notifications to privacy controls. The Settings section is where you'll find all the tools you need to customize how Messenger works for you. Next, within the Settings menu, navigate to Privacy and Safety. Click on this option to access the privacy-related features that help you control who can contact you and how your information is shared. This section is particularly important because it gives you full control over your messaging experience and helps you maintain boundaries with your contacts. Now, within the Privacy and Safety section, you'll see an option called Hidden Contacts. Go ahead and click on it. This feature allows you to hide specific contacts from your main chat list without blocking them entirely. It's a great way to reduce clutter or keep certain conversations out of sight while still maintaining the ability to message those people if needed. Once you're on the Hidden Contacts page, look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a plus icon there. Click on this icon to begin the process of adding a contact to your hidden list. This action will open up a search interface where you can find the specific person you want to hide. In the search field that appears, type in the name of the contact you want to hide. As you type, Messenger will automatically suggest matching contacts from your friends list. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the right person, as this action will remove them from your main chat view. When you see the correct contact appear in the search results, click on it. This immediately adds them to your hidden contacts list and they'll no longer appear in your main Messenger inbox. The contact won't be notified of this change, and you can still search for and message them whenever you need to. You've now successfully hidden a contact on Facebook Messenger, giving you a cleaner and more organized chat list. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.